Good afternoon, everyone, and happy February. So, a awesome announcement came from the team today involving the RIDE staking pool that has been talked about for a little bit now. So, not only is this a staking pool, but they are now introducing metastaking. I am really excited to see this go live on the MyR exchange. It's literally going to add three different streams of passive income for people to earn. So I was a little bit concerned, or I was curious whether the staking pools would just be RIDE or if there would be some sort of way to earn RIDE through LP. So I'm extremely stoked to see that the answer to that question is yes. And I am even more stoked to see that with these pools that will be opening up, you will also still earn MEX and lock MEX rewards. So if you are familiar with the MyR exchange, then you know and you should be familiar with by providing liquidity, you have the opportunity to earn 0.25% of every trade relative to your share of the farm itself. And so right now, some really incredible rates. The liquidity is unlocked, and that is a MEX token you will receive. But the first class citizen, as it has been coined, is Lock MEX, and you can see that on the EGLD MEX pool, you can earn 226% APR. And that's just incredible to me. And I have been taking advantage of that, as have many other people. But that's not why we're here. These two bottom community pools, you can see this brand new update for the MyR exchange for new token listings. So looking forward to seeing more tokens pop up on this screen. But for now, again, so right now, these two bottom pools, the EGLD RIDE, the top one, you will again earn 42% APR in MEX, and this one down here is 196 APR in lock MEX. We'll get into, or rather, maybe other videos have already talked about the lock MEX mechanism. But again, I want to just keep the emphasis on what is up with HOLORIDE. So some of the people involved: Audi, Porsche, Shell Games. Check this out, holoride.com. Lots of good information there. But yeah, I just want to really just touch on this because this is totally going to be something that I participate in. So I'll just read this for you here. It says EGLD RIDE liquidity providers. So people who are providing liquidity in these pools. EGLD RIDE liquidity providers who already farm MEX or lock MEX rewards in the regular farms can further stake their farm tokens into the RIDE Metastake and earn additional RIDE rewards on top of their existing rewards and without interrupting them. Yo, are you kidding me? An EGLD RIDE liquidity provider will thus earn three different types of rewards at the same time. You got your liquidity provider fees, earning MEX or lock MEX according to which pool you're in. And then lastly, of course, we've got this new Metastake RIDE rewards. So really, really incredible to see yet another opportunity to generate yield. So before I let you go, it says here that 21,750,000 RIDE tokens will be offered as a metastaking reward over 1 year. So this could be considered a form of bootstrapping. Rather, it's just an incentive to get in on RIDE, given that it's only going to be 1 year. So the RIDE Metastaking is scheduled to go live in February, pending successful testing. So as this, I'll link all of these articles in the description below. But this one is from the HoloRide team themselves. It says over the next few weeks we'll be going live with a powerful RIDE staking program, as has been announced, the Metastaking. So. As this says, the program will begin after the completion of a special Battle of Yields public testing event, which, if you've been in on ELROND for a little bit, and especially the MyR exchange, you know that there has been test nets for the MyR exchange to test different updates before they go live on the main site. So those who participate in these Battle of the Yields actually earn money. They will earn ELROND for helping out the team and reporting any bugs. So things to look out for in the month of February. Keep your eye on Benjamin's Twitter. Obviously, Elrond's Twitter as well, but it seems a lot of main announcements come from Benjamin, and then they're really just retweeted by Elrond. Nonetheless, if you aren't following each of those accounts, then definitely do that so that you don't miss out on any announcements. We'll of course do our best to address them here, but I just wanted to throw this at you all because I'm really excited about this. And I guess while we're on the topic of Ride, since I did not talk about it in the deep dive last night, which again, thank you everybody for the support on that. It's quite encouraging and exciting to see that clearly people appreciate my ridiculous ramblings. Though I do believe that there's a lot of good information there, and I really hope that it's adding value to your life and it will really help everybody to bolster their trading psychology. Nonetheless, going at the chart here, this is paired with EGLD. So why I like the ride eagled rather than looking at with the USD chart is basically you can look at this chart, and this will help you kind of understand your impermanent loss, because if you buy ride down here, it's the same concept as trading one token for another and making more profits in one and then pushing the back into the other. But essentially with the ride eagle chart, if you're looking at this, you can see where exactly your kind of impermanent loss basis has been formed. So if you bought and then according to the ride eagle chart, you get green candles like we saw here after that announcement. Then essentially you can be confirmed, you can be confident that you're actually technically kind of earning more eagled if that is your approach. But yeah, after the announcement, definitely saw some reaction from the market. People are definitely buying some more ride here, and I'm definitely one of those people. Especially interesting to note that MEX continues to show a little bit of weakness here. I thought that there might be a bottom coming in, and who's to say this is certainly considered a retest of this zone here. Zooming out, you'll see that this is really just the bottom of the only other area that was even slightly retested. So really hoping to see this turn up so those LKMEX can start to accrue some value. But of course, if you own MEX itself, we want to see those assets appreciate. So the entire market, as I touched on, majorly in the deep dives episode 3, market is looking great, and especially with the Bitcoin chart showing us some positive moves in addition to Elrond. The ecosystem is looking good, but MEX is a brand new token. Not really too sure how it's going to play out, because obviously there is a lot in circulation, and there are also through the Maya exchange there are still lots of opportunities to add slash dilute the market. As you can see, people are 27 million thousand god damn it 27,000 damn it 27 million are $27 million worth of Eagle Ride LPR earning 42% APR. Oh my gosh, that was a struggle to get out. The point is that, all of these unlocked figures here, people are earning MEX rewards, and they can still, and likely are maybe, swapping them for Eagled just to earn more Eagled. And that's, that may continue to dilute the market. So I just wanted to touch on that, I guess, since I did not address it in the deep dive last night. But the emphasis is Eagle to Ride, triple opportunities to create yield. So really get excited about that. I hope everybody is excited for the Myar update that also came about. And I'll leave it at that for today. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.